Imagine driving down the street in 1936 and suddenly spotting a giant hot dog rolling past you. Not a sign, not a parade float, but a fully functional vehicle shaped like a sausage. Sounds absurd, right? But this wasn't a joke. It was real, it was drivable, and it became one of the most recognizable promotional vehicles in history, the Oscar Mayer Wienermobile. Why would a company build such a bizarre machine, and how did it manage to capture the imagination of an entire nation? Let's uncover the story behind this deliciously strange icon. In the mid-1930s, the American food company Oscar Mayer was searching for a bold way to advertise its products during the Great Depression. Traditional ads weren't enough. They needed something unforgettable. Enter Carl Mayer, the founder's nephew, who envisioned a vehicle that literally embodied the product itself. The idea was simple yet revolutionary: turn a hot dog into a moving billboard. Unlike conventional cars of the era, which focused on elegance or utility, the Wienermobile prioritized attention above all else. It wasn't designed to blend in. It was meant to stand out, spark curiosity, and draw crowds. This playful, almost surreal concept blurred the line between marketing and entertainment, making it decades ahead of its time. Beneath its whimsical exterior, the original 1936 Wienermobile was built on a practical automotive foundation. It utilized a standard chassis, likely derived from contemporary passenger cars, ensuring reliability and ease of maintenance. This was a smart decision. While the body was unconventional, the mechanical underpinnings had to remain dependable for cross-country promotional tours. The structure itself was custom-built to support the elongated hot dog shape, requiring careful weight distribution and reinforcement. Engineers had to ensure that the unusual body didn't compromise stability or drivability. Despite its novelty, the Wienermobile was engineered with real-world usability in mind, balancing spectacle with function. This combination of creativity and practicality made it more than just a gimmick. It was a working vehicle. Mechanically, the 1936 Wienermobile followed a conventional front-engine, rear-wheel drive layout, typical of American cars of the era. However, its elongated body introduced unique challenges. The extended bun structure altered weight distribution, requiring careful tuning of suspension components to maintain balance and ride quality. Aerodynamics were not a primary concern in the 1930s, yet the smooth, rounded shape of the hot dog body inadvertently reduced drag compared to boxy vehicles of the time. Steering such a long vehicle demanded skill, especially in tight urban environments. While it lacked advanced innovations like independent suspension or modern braking systems, its true technical achievement lay in adapting standard automotive engineering to an unconventional form, proving that creativity and engineering could coexist. The original Wienermobile was powered by a modest gasoline engine typical of 1930s American automobiles. Performance was not its primary goal. Reliability and accessibility were far more important. With limited horsepower, the vehicle was best suited for slow, steady cruising through cities and towns, perfect for attracting attention. Over time, later versions of the Wienermobile received significant upgrades, including more powerful engines, improved transmissions, and modern safety features. These changes allowed the vehicle to travel greater distances and operate more efficiently. While the 1936 model was relatively simple, its evolution reflected advancements in automotive technology. Each iteration improved performance and durability, ensuring that the Wienermobile could continue its promotional mission for decades. The body of the 1936 Wienermobile was its defining feature, a giant hot dog nestled in a bun, crafted from lightweight materials over a custom frame. The design was both humorous and eye-catching, instantly recognizable even from a distance. Inside, the vehicle was surprisingly functional. The cabin was compact, designed primarily for the driver and possibly a passenger. Comfort was secondary to the vehicle's promotional role, but basic controls and seating ensured it could be driven like a normal car. Large windows provided visibility, which was crucial given its unusual shape. The design struck a balance between novelty and practicality. While it looked like a rolling joke, it was carefully constructed to function as a legitimate vehicle on public roads. The 1936 Wienermobile quickly became a traveling advertisement, touring cities, attending events, and delighting crowds across the United States. It was driven by company representatives who distributed promotional items and engaged directly with the public. Its presence turned everyday streets into marketing stages. Children were amazed, adults were intrigued, and everyone remembered the brand. The vehicle's slow speed and distinctive appearance made it ideal for parades and public gatherings. However, its early career was interrupted during World War II when gasoline rationing limited non-essential driving. Despite this setback, the Wienermobile had already proven its effectiveness. It wasn't just a vehicle, it was an experience, creating a personal connection between the brand and its audience. The original 1936 Wienermobile did not survive in its initial form, as early promotional vehicles were often retired or scrapped after years of use. However, its legacy was preserved through continuous redesigns and recreations. Over the decades, Oscar Mayer introduced new versions of the Wienermobile, each reflecting contemporary automotive design and technology. Some later models have been preserved in museums or company archives, serving as reminders of this unique marketing innovation. The absence of the original only adds to its mystique. It represents a pioneering moment in advertising history, one that inspired generations of promotional vehicles and creative marketing strategies. The Wienermobile is more than just a quirky vehicle. It's a cultural icon. It redefined what advertising could be, transforming a simple product into a memorable experience. Long before experiential marketing became a buzzword, the Wienermobile was already bringing brands directly to the people. Its influence can be seen in modern promotional vehicles and brand activations worldwide. The idea of turning a product into a moving spectacle has been replicated countless times, but few have achieved the same level of recognition. The 1936 Wienermobile stands as a testament to bold thinking and creative risk-taking. It reminds us that sometimes the most unconventional ideas are the ones that leave the biggest impact. From a humble hot dog concept to a rolling piece of American pop culture, the Wienermobile proves that innovation doesn't always come from complexity. It can come from imagination. The Oscar Mayer Wienermobile wasn't just built to sell food. It was built to create joy, curiosity, and unforgettable memories. If you enjoyed this deep dive into one of the strangest vehicles ever made, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fascinating automotive stories.